Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change or reset your Roblox password if you have forgotten it. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So as you can see right now, I can't log in to my Roblox account because I forgot my password. So if you are facing the same problem as mine, then you are on the right video, since I will gonna show you how you can reset your forgotten Roblox password easily. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the forgot password or username button right here. And after that, you will need to enter your email address right here, and make sure that the email address that you will enter is the same as the one you used to create your Roblox account. And once you're done entering your email address, tap submit. And after that, Roblox will send you an email that will have the link that will direct you to where you can reset your password. So just go to your email. And once you're on email, you will now be able to see the email that Roblox sent to you, so just go and open it. And after opening it, you will now see the reset password button right here. This button will direct you to where you can reset your password, so just go and tap it. And after that, you can now finally enter the new password that you want right here, and make sure to not forget it so you won't need to do this process again. And once you're done entering your new password, you can now tap submit. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Roblox account will now be logged in, and your password will now be changed to the one that you entered. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.